What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are a first timer to this channel, then welcome to you guys. This is our weekly swing watch list for the week of April 3rd. I put these watch lists out for you guys for free every single day, or every single, oh, there goes my phone, every single week. I put out daily watch lists, monthly swing watch lists. We're going to have a quarterly swing watch list out as well. So make sure you're subscribed and click the bell. The bell will send you the notifications when I send these videos out for you guys, okay? So let's get started on this list. I'm going to go through a few key things here before we get started. Number one, this platform that you see here is TradingView. I use TradingView to chart everything I do. If you're looking for something like this, there is a link in the description below. That link will give you a free 30-day trial to TradingView. So make sure you take advantage of that offer. And then if you decide to go ahead and continue to use the subscription-based services, you get up to $30 off of that subscription. I'm on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold, so if you have questions, you can leave them there. You can leave them down below in the comment section. Or if you're watching this live right now, because we are live, you can leave them in the chat section to the right of you, okay? So questions there, or you can leave them in the Discord. The Discord, guys, it's free to join the Discord. There's a ton of free rooms in there. Okay, there's also a paid portion, but the majority of it is free for you guys. So that link is in the description below. You can join there. You can ask questions there as well. There's a lot of free material in that Discord. Okay, so we'll start off this swing list. We're going to start with BIDU. So now this candle here is obviously already opened. Okay, so some of these plays have already gone into force, and we're going to go through them. Some of them are probably still inside bar. So the first one we've got on the list is BIDU. BIDU. This is the first day of this week. It's Monday. So this is the opening candle. We've already gone 2 down on the week. And as you notice, we've got full time frame continuity right across the board. That's a very important trait when we're looking at this strategy, is full time frame continuity. Do you need full time frame continuity? No, you don't, but it's telling us that we have buyers right across the board on the hourly, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, and the quarterly. And I'm just going to do something here because that yearly is not showing up. There's that yearly. The yearly is the only one that's green. If you're looking for this indicator, guys, it is part of the indicator, Griswold Strat indicator that I created for you guys. It comes with the Griswold Gold membership, or you can buy it on its own. You get it for life, one-time fee, $25, or it comes with a membership, which is $50. All that information is located in the Discord and what comes with that membership, though. So we are 2 down on the week already for BIDU. Did you miss the train? No, it hasn't hit targets yet. Could you jump on it still? You sure could, but I would base it off of this daily chart, and I would look for another 2-2 continuation if I was going to jump into this one, okay? Let's move on to Beyond. So Beyond still has that inside bar, and we were trending off of this inside bar here. So we've got, again, full time frame continuity to the upside, a lot of inside bars there. So Strat Soldier ain't touching this one. But if we break above here, okay, if we break above, we're going to have that weekly will be gone. We won't have that inside bar. These yellow circles tell you that we're inside day, inside week, inside month, inside quarter, inside year. So we're going to look for a break to the high or the low of this inside bar. I tell you guys all the time, that inside bar is a consolidation candle. It doesn't break the high, and it does not break the low of the previous candle. It's a tightening range. And when you get that tightening range, it's almost like a inverse broadening formation. So we go from basically what we're showing here. I'll show you guys here real quick. This is what we see on this. Okay, some people call this a flag. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for this thing to bust out of this little triangle right here. Okay? We're looking for it to run to the upside or the downside, and that's what happens on inside bars. And you can see we had that happen here where we triggered and we ran in through targets. It did what it said it was going to do. So that's what we're going to look for here off of the inside bar on Beyond. Still has not triggered. If we go on to Chewy, same thing, has that inside bar. We're looking to break out of that inside bar, the 2 pink lines. We're not going to do it today. We'll see if we can get there tomorrow. But this is the current live candle for the week, okay? Also, today it represents the day. Tomorrow it's going to represent Monday and Tuesday. Okay, but for right now, it just represents the day and the week, and apparently the month and the quarterly, because those are all brand new candles as well today. But this is what we're looking for. This purple line is for us to go 2 down on the quarterly. Okay, so when I do my charts, the yellow is for the daily, the pink is the weekly, the light blue is the monthly, the purple is quarterly, and my orange lines are for my yearly. If we go to CVS, okay, we had the inside bar. We've already broken to the upside. We've already hit targets on CVS, and we've got really great time frame continuity. Outside of the year, everything is pointing up on CVS. DocuSign, off of a double inside bar. So double inside bars are rare. You notice this blue highlight over top of them? That's part of the Griswold Strat indicator. As is the time frame continuity that we talked about, the candlestick numbers, the yellow inside bars, the white outside bars, Sarah Strat Sniper's 50% rule, that's also part of it. Okay, so if we go back, we look for that big blue highlighted bar. This gold bar that you see here, that's also part of the Strat indicator that I created, marks out the 3 ones. Here's the last time we had a double inside bar on the weekly chart. Didn't turn out the way I guess we would have hoped. Not much of a run there. So here's the other one. This one we hit triggers here, and we were just shy of targets. So just shy. But that's kind of what we look for, guys, off of those double inside bars. We look for a big run off of 2 straight weeks of consolidation. So on this one, we've got calls at 58.83, puts at 56.01. You see that purple line there we talked about? That's the quarterly. That's to go 2 up on the quarterly, okay? We come into Etsy here. Etsy had a 2 down that finished green last week, so we can call that a failed 2. We're going to look to trend back to the upside, but we are currently sitting inside bar on Etsy. We go to GME. GME looking to break out of this inside bar right here. So this is the current live candle. We look for calls at 24.01, puts at 22.11. There's our quarterly marker. You can watch the quarterly video. Will be out later today. And here is the yearly marker on GME. We go into Google. Google has a 2 down red, but we had a hammer candle, okay? And full time frame continuity currently. We're also looking to break out of the monthly inside bar. So if we go to the month is going to show me that this is a current inside bar. We don't have far to go 2 up on the month on Google. So that is what we're looking for. We have a 2 down, finish red, but it is a hammer candle, a bullish pattern. And we're going to look to break above that. And then if we do, our first target is the trigger for the monthly. We move on to JP Morgan. Already broke 2 up on the week off of this inside bar. I would jump into this again tomorrow if we break above that trigger price of 130.34. Now, if we continue down tomorrow, this purple line, also part of that Strat indicator, that's the Sarah Strat Sniper 50% rule. If we trend below that, you can look to take this as a 3 bar. We've already gone 2 up, a 3 bar breaks both sides of the previous candle, and if we pass the 50% mark of the previous candle, this one right here, marked out by the purple line, that gives us a high probability that we are going to go 3 on the week on JP Morgan. Macy's had that inside bar, and we opened way up here, so we are not going to talk about Macy's too much. Morgan Stanley, here's another one that similar to what we just talked about on JP Morgan, where we went 2 up off of the inside bar, and we've started trending down. We've got full time frame continuity to the downside. So if we break this 50% plateau of the previous week, you can look to take puts on this to go 3 bar on Microsoft, or on Morgan Stanley, excuse me. MU, Micron Technology, had that 2 up, finished red. and we are currently sitting inside bar. So we're going to see if we can trend 2 down, 2 up, 2 down reversal on Micron. We go to Nike. Nike had that 2 down green, 2 down that finished green with a hammer candle, and we trended up slightly, and then we started to reverse back down. So again, if we trend back up past this trigger price, again, you can look to enter for a weekly swing. Or if we trend down past this purple line, the 50% marker, you can look to jump in puts to see if Nike will go 3 bar. Pfizer had the 2 down green hammer candle, and it had a fantastic run today. Did everything it expected it to do. Okay, we triggered, we hit targets 1 and targets 2. We've also gone 2 up on the month already, and we've tagged that 2 down year marker. So we are 2 down on the year, but as currently showing, we've got full time frame continuity back to the upside. So we'll see how Pfizer finishes out the week. Are we going to continue to trend up, or are we going to have a downturn on Pfizer for the week? Plug Power had that 2 down green hammer candle. We're still sitting without breaking either side, so we're sitting inside bar on Plug. Inside bar hammer candle on PayPal. So we are looking to go 2 up on PayPal. We would also be looking to go 2 up on the month on PayPal. And then those purple lines are telling me we are sitting on an inside bar, looking to break out of that on the 3-month chart, the quarterly chart. So all of April, May, and June, and we will reset in July. Roblox RBLX had that inside bar hammer candle. We've run into full time frame continuity, and look at this, guys. So we have triggered on the weekly here, we have triggered on the monthly here, and we've triggered on the quarterly here. So if I go to the monthly, we are 2 up on the month. If I go to the quarterly, we are 2 up on the quarterly right now. And the target of the 3 months is 47.64, maybe 65. The target on the month, we've already hit 1. The second one is 46.92, and the target on the week, again, we've already hit that. That was our quarterly marker right there. Okay, so targets have all been hit on Roblox. We'll see if it has a continuation here going forward. Block, that's ticker symbol SQ, had this 3-1 setup, and 3-1 setups are rare. They don't happen very often. So if we go back and look at these 3-1 setups, the last time we had one, we just need to look for the gold highlight. We end up going double inside bar. But then this 3-1 setup here, we triggered and we hit 1 target, and then we just kept on going. This was a fantastic play right here off of that 3-1 setup. And that's what we look for. It's a rare setup, but it is also very powerful. So we'll see if we can get that again. We've got full time frame continuity pointing to the upside currently. That can change by tomorrow. So we'll look for calls at 70.53. Puts at 61.55. We go on to the trade desk, sitting inside bar last week. We are still inside bar this week, looking to break out. Calls at 61.66. There's a target or a trigger for the monthly as well, and we can look for puts at 58.21 if we trigger to the downside. 2 down green hammer candle on Uber, and we are currently sitting inside bar on that. Okay, so we're looking to trigger 2 up on the week for Uber. Calls at 31.85. Wells Fargo inside bar shooter candle. We'll see how this one plays out. We are stuck inside bar today. We'll see how Tuesday goes. Calls at 38.50. Puts at 36.87. That orange line, the yearly, we are 2 down on the year already. Okay, so we'll see how the rest of the week turns out for Wells Fargo. And guys, that's a list. So I know there's only a few people in the room right now, but if you have questions, feel free to leave them in the chat section. I will answer them for you as we go. If not, I want to wish you guys good luck trading on Tuesday. There will be a daily video out today at some point. We're going to go through the monthly watch list as well as the 3-quarter watch list, the 3-month watch list. So good luck trading Tuesday, guys. Remember, if you have questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Follow me on Twitter. You can ask me there at Mr. Clark Griswold, or join in the Discord. It's free. There's a ton of free rooms in there for you guys to join in on. So join there. Ask the questions there. I'm here to help you guys out. I want to see you guys be successful traders. And that's why I do what I do here. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you all on the next one.